desk in charge of TMC in Goa, Madam Mawa Moitra, MP, Member of Parliament of the Lok Sabha, and our family is getting extended today. You see Ethel Lobo on our right. Ethel has been wearing many hats in the past. She was the past president of the Catholic Association of Goa. She was the ex-vice chairperson of the Margao municipality. She was a district office bearer of the Congress party in South Goa, general secretary there, and she has been associated in social work for a long period of time. So without taking much time, I would request Madam Moitra to take over.
Thank you very much, and thank you all for coming here today. This is a very special day because we have with us, in addition, a very special addition to the Trinamool Congress family in Goa. It's also my first day here as state in charge, and I'm really looking forward to, running with the TMC ball in the state. And Ethel Lobo is a person after my heart because the thing that she's got about her is a fighting spirit. And as you know, our chairperson, Mamta Banerjee, who has decided that Goa is going to be the next state for us as a platform. Trinamool is only a platform for Goa. It is going to be Goa for the Goans, and Ethel Lobo has been very much a part of the fabric of Goa, the social fabric, the religious fabric, and the political fabric of Goa. She has been part of the Catholic Association. She's been a district office bearer, and as Yatesh said, she was also vice chairperson of the Margao municipality, which is obviously an elected body. And so I welcome her into the family, and we'll take it from here. We're looking forward to putting our very best foot forward and showing Goa what we've shown the rest of India and Bengal. Thank you. Ethel, over to you.
Thank you. Good evening to all of you. I'm so happy and privileged today to be here and to be joining the TMC party. TMC party is the new dawn in Goa. I've always taken awe, and I'm so happy to be here that I'm running short of words. But looking at Mamta Banerjee's work, her dedication, her simplicity, she is a woman of substance. Mamta Banerjee, I've seen her all through my years. I've been watching her with close eyes. I have seen her work, and she has been going to meet people, associating with people. She is a larger-than-life persona. Her simplicity has touched me. The way she goes about listening to people. She's not an arrogant woman. She is a woman who means business. She is a woman who has almost terminated the BJP in Bengal. Mamta Banerjee as a leader. She's so simple. I just want to say something, that when I was watching the news or election news that was happening in Bengal, she was a tower of strength. It was her dignity and the fighting spirit in her that encouraged me. And I said, oh, this woman, she has really the guts. Despite of that leg that was injured, she went, she fought it out, and that touched my core. And today I'm here to strengthen her hands. And I request all other my friends and my family members, everybody, to join her and to strengthen her, to take her TMC agenda forward. Mamta Banerjee, as we all know, she's an epitome of the women's empowerment. She is a lady who has made it possible for 33% of reservation of MPs in the parliament. And here we have the madam whom I was always looking forward to. I've seen her. And madam, I'm so happy that you have given me this honor to be with me here today. Coming what may, I would like to say my little past of my experience, 30 years experience with the Congress party. I'm deeply pained by the way the leaders treated me as a worker of that party. The Congress party is no longer the same party. I have worked for this party diligently, without any reservations. I worked for this party without any interference with my family. I love that party. But today, looking at all that happened, they treated me like a doormat. They didn't have a place for a woman. Every time when I asked them a question or I raised my voice in a meeting, they never heard me. I always thought the good for the Congress party. But this party, last few years, has gone down the drains. I would like to state a few things about it. This Congress party has been invaded by people from all pro-BJP people are in the Congress. And Mamata Banerjee's party is an anti-BJP party that made me join this party today. This party, the Congress party, has always taken workers for a ride. They've taken them for a ride for a very long time. They have no respect, no discipline. They have been in this, there are new terms that I have never heard last 30 years. Conductors, wheeler dealers, they call themselves match fixers. There are collection agents. This is thing which hurt me the most. I've never come across such words in my entire working of the Congress party. It hurt me. It hurt me. The way they was treated, they told us to do the booths, blocks. I have worked with this party. 10 years I have worked for the blocks and I had to build the party. There was not a day that the desk in charge who's presently is not in Goa, Sir Dinesh Rao. He himself, when I met him, he gave me a deaf ear. He did not even understand the problems that were going in Fatorda. Neither did he ever make it a point to visit us in Fatorda. He had time to visit the opposition party leader, but did not have time to work with the leaders. Whenever we went to, I had an opportunity to meet Sir Chidambaram. And when I told him, sir, this is happening, he told me, don't talk about the past, talk about the present. Who's here to listen to the present? It breaks my heart to tell you that this Congress is no more the Congress that I had seen. Today I have joined, and I'm sure that with the force, with the cooperation, with all the coordination, I'm sure that we will work very hard and see that the flag of TMC reaches every end of Goa. I promise you that, madam, and I've been ready to work with you with all my might and with all my strength. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
One second.
We'll just give the flag over. One second.
Question?
Let's take somebody, take a photo and send it.
एक मिनट
You want me to hold this?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, thank you.
Done? Thank you.